Paste selection is a tool that allows you to quickly duplicate objects without using copy and paste. First, select the objects you'd like to copy. Next, press A on your keyboard. The selected objects will appear on your cursor, allowing you to place them anywhere in your drawing. To maintain alignment while placing copies, use your arrow keys to lock the direction into a 90-degree angle, indicated by the dotted pink line. You can also control the spacing of copies using one of the following options. Edge to edge sets the distance between the edges of objects. To next spaces them based on the starting point of each new copy. In the Quick Properties, use Tab to navigate to the bottom and use the spacebar to select edge to edge or to next. Then use Shift Tab to move up to distance. Type in a distance and hit Enter to copy with precision. Repeat for as many copies as needed. Once you're finished, press Escape or flick your cursor outside the drawing area to remove the tool.